Hello everyone. Now let's discuss this numerical for the sectional view. So this is the object for which you have drawn the normal view. So what you have done first here, first you have find out the dimensions here. So length of the object is in x direction, that is 90 mm. Width is in the y direction, that is 50 mm. And the height factor is 60 mm. So dimensions are 90, 50 and the 60. So for the dimension you have drawn the normal view. So for this drawing, y direction is in the right hand side. So you have drawn the right hand side view. That will appear on the left hand side. So front view is in the vertical plane, top view in on the horizontal plane, and the side view is on the PP, which is on the left hand side, since it is a right hand side view. So here you have drawn the normal view here, front view, top view and the side view. So in this diagram, so what are the slot and the circular portion that we will see here. So in this diagram, there is a one slot of length is 10 mm and height is 10 mm. This is a one slot portion. And second one is this is a circular to semicircular portions plus slot portion. So for this circular portion and the slot portion, now we'll see one by one. For this slot portion, what you have done, since the slot portion is in the front view, so you have drawn the dotted line in the top view as well as dotted line in the side view here, correct? This semicircular and slot portion is in the top view. So for that purpose, you have drawn the dotted line in the front view as well as dotted line in the side view. So this is a front view, top view and the RHS view of the object. Now we see how to draw the sectional view for this particular object. So to draw the sectional view, they will give in the exam, they will give the cutting section here. The cutting section is given as A and here is A. So along the cutting section A, you are going to draw the sectional view. So what is exactly mean by section view? Simple thing is that just take the hacksaw like you are drawn in the workshop, you are taken in the workshop. Just imaginarily start cutting the object along the section A. So what will happen here? The slot portion plus the semicircular and slot portion will not cut there with the hacksaw because it is not a solid portion, obviously. So that portion, how to represent that portion here, that we will see here. See here in the front view. So what will happen here in the front view, this is a slot portion and this is a hole portion. That will not come as a hatching line because that is a portion which is not solid portion, that's why it will not cut by the hacksaw. Now we see how to draw the hatching lines here. To draw the hatching lines, these lines are the lines which are inclined. The angle for that line is 45 degrees. See here, while drawing the angle, no need to take the exact angle here. Just draw the 45 degree approximate angle and draw the drawing here. Fine. So this is a sectional view of that particular object. And make sure that when you draw the, see here, initially what was the normal view? In the normal view, these circle lines in the front view were the dotted lines. But in case of sectional view, draw the continuous line. What is the reason? The reason behind is that when you draw the initially, when you draw the initial view, what was there? That circle was at backside of that particular object. But when you cut the object in the equal section, what will happen? That part will come in the front and that will appear as a continuous line. Second reason is that there is a never combination of the hatching line and the dotted lines. Always hatching lines are combined with the continuous line only. So this is a sectional view of this particular object.